Hello, Assalamualaikum. It's Ahmed sitting here, and today our topic is conversation skills. Conversations skills are so important in our daily life for communication. Today, I'm going to tell you some main points about conversation. Be fluent while speaking. Don't lie to someone and build trust between your partners. Avoid parallel conversation. Don't give negative thoughts and ideas to someone. Give chance to others to speak and listen more than you speak. Talk less, and when you take interest in other conversation, it will gain your relations. Ask questions to your fellows, engage with them, and tell them your stories and listen to each other's stories, so it will gain your relationship with each other. Thanks. These are some tips for the conversation. If you like it, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet.